Hello everyone, welcome to Stay Update presented by JK Rakhan. So friends, finally the link in order to download your admit card for FCAT 01 2021 was supposed to be activated on the Indian Air Force official website on 20th of August 2021 after 11 am. So friends, finally the link has been activated on the official website. All those candidates who have submitted their online form under FCAT 02 2021 can download their admit card from the official website. So friends, in this video we shall discuss that how to download your admit card from the official website, and then after what are the important things that you need to keep with yourself, like clothing, important things like your pen, your Aadhaar card, your photo identity document. So all those details we shall discuss in this video in a very comprehensive manner, so that you will not face any kind of problem while reporting at your examination center. And a lot of candidates are facing problem while reporting at the examination center, whether related to their original identity document and remaining your latest passport size photographs required. So due to this problem they are getting reject from the examination center. So please understand the important information that we shall discuss in this video. So friends, let us start that how to download your admit card firstly for the FCAT 02 2021. So in order to download your admit card, you need to come on the official website, and then after you need to go under this section, that is candidate login, and then after you need to click on the FCAT 02 2021 cycle. Then after friends, you need to log in on your portal using your username and password. So we shall log in here with the details of one student. So you have to enter your username and password that you have selected while registering on this Indian Air Force official website under FCAT 02 2021. Then after you need to enter the CAPTCHA. So friends, after entering this CAPTCHA, you need to click on this login button. Then after you will be in a position to download your admit card for the FCAT 02 2021. So you can see here all those candidates who have successfully submitted their online form can download their admit card under the 9th section. So you need to click on this link on the download admit card. Your admit card will be downloaded on your mobile in the file manager. So you need to click on this download option. Then after, your admit card will be available in your mobile. So you can see here an admit card of the candidate for the FCAT 01 2021 has been successfully downloaded, and you can check your shift number and your examination center, and when your examination will be conducted. All these details are mentioned in your admit card, your reporting date, your date of examination, and your EKT stream that you had selected while filling your online form. So friends, this is your admit card. You need to take the printout of this admit card, that is the first page of this admit card. And then after friends, you need to declare here your name, your father name, and then after you need to mention your date, place, and then after your thumb impression and your signature. But all these details, that is the declaration, you need to enter in the presence of the Indian Air Force observer. Means to say that at the examination center you need to declare all these details. So friends, this is the important information that you need to mention in your admit card. Then after, what are the important documents that you need to keep with yourself? So you can see here, if your shift is first, then your reporting date is 7:30 am, and if your shift is second, then your reporting time is 12:30 pm on each day, that is 28th, 29th and 30th August 2021. The timing will be same for the first and second shift of the reporting timing. So make sure that you are reporting at the reporting time at your examination center, and after this reporting time, after 2 hours of this reporting time, your examination will be started at the examination center. During 2 hours time period, your all biometric, your documentation will be completed at your examination center. Then after friends, the important documents that you need to keep with yourself. Your first is the admit card. Second is your Aadhaar card. Your Aadhaar card should be original. You have to take your original Aadhaar card while reporting at your examination center. Then after, another one photo identity card. Apart from the Aadhaar card, you need to keep with yourself PAN card or passport size or driving license or voter identity card or college identity card, where your photo is mentioned on your identity document. You can take any one of the photo identity card that we have discussed, and then after friends, you need to take two passport size color photographs, and your two passport size color photographs should be same that you had uploaded during your online application, and one passport size photograph you need to paste on your admit card also on the front page. The space has been already allocated in order to paste the one passport size photograph on the first page of your admit card. Then after, you need to take ball point pen, which should be blue or black, both will be acceptable. Then after friends, your dress code. Your dress code on the examination day friends, you have to wear slipper sandal with flat heels, and closed footwear like shoes are not allowed in the examination center. So please make sure that you have wear slipper or sandals, and clothing with large buttons are also not permitted. So make sure the clothing that you have wear during the examination should have the small buttons, and those who wear specific attire for the religious purposes will be required to report at the examination hall for the mandatory frisking. So if it is mandatory for the religious purpose, then it will be permitted at the examination center. So please friends, make sure your dress code should be suitable as per the requirement they have mentioned in the admit card, and all those important things that we have discussed here: admit card, your photo identity card, your Aadhaar card, your two passport size photograph. All these documents you need to keep with yourself while reporting at the examination center. And last document that you need to keep with yourself related to the COVID-19 declaration. So here is the document at the last page of your admit card. You need to take the printout of this document also. So this is the document that is available here. That is related to your symptoms: fever, cough, breathlessness, then after sore throat. According to your symptoms, you have to declare yes or no. Then after, you need to sign here. You need to mention your name, date and place. So friends, this is the all important information that you need to keep with yourself while reporting at the examination center for AFCAT 02 2021. And those candidates who have selected EKT, then their examination for EKT will be started after their AFCAT examination at the same examination center. So friends, any doubt that is written in your mind, you can ask in the comment section. We will definitely get back to you within a given time. Thank you friends.